Hi everybody, welcome again to another class. This is our final class of Friday. Yay! I hope that you have an amazing week, the same as I did. And you have lots of fun learning and doing all these experiments and crafts and learning the numbers, the sounds of the week, how we write uppercase letters and lowercase letters, etc. So today, as our final class, we're going to make pancakes. So this is a very healthy and fun recipe to follow, and we need only three things. We need a banana, we need flour. Here I have a oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, you can put some oat in the blender and make some butter, or you can also use all-purpose flour and an egg. So first of all, we're going to peel the banana. I'm sorry for my blue fingers. It's because of the experiment that we just did, and it doesn't go, so I recommend you to wear gloves. So here we have the banana. We put little pieces so it is easier to smash. Have you ever eaten mashed potatoes? Yes? That is what we need to do with our banana. So we're going to put this on a side. I also have some paper to clean my hands if I need to. And I'm going to mash. Choop, 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 choop. If this step is too hard for you, you can ask help to your mommy and your daddy. Some bananas. This was a big banana and it's not that soft. So I need a little bit of my strong arms. Choop, 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 choop. So. Okay, this is our banana right now, and we're going to put the egg. 1, 2, 3. Oops, here we go. Wow. And we're going to put this here on a side as well. We're going to clean our hands again. Blue hands, my goodness. And we're going to mix. Can you see it? And we mix until they're all blended. So if you are at home and you cannot eat like all-purpose flour like I do, you can have the oat flour, that it's very good and it doesn't hurt your tummy. And if you cannot eat eggs, you can also put some honey instead of an egg. What we need is this. Can you see it? It's blended. And now, little by little, we're going to add the flour. So we're going to use the spoon that I brought. You need only 2 spoons, big spoons of flour, and you blend. As you are using the banana, you don't need to add sugar because it's already sweet. That's why it is so healthy, because we don't need any of extra food ingredients. Let's put some more. And can you see it? Little by little, it's not It's going sort of solid, not very liquidy like it was at the beginning. We need some more flowers. Maybe we can put it all. Oopsies. Here. And you mix, 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 mix. Are you tired already? Oh no, you can do it. Mix, mix, mix. So when we go back all to school, maybe we can do it. We can do this one Friday. And we can have fun before going home. So it's going to look like this. It looks like a paste. It's not solid, however, it's not very liquidy. It is the perfect state. So now we're going to take our pan. Do you know why they call pancakes? Because they were some sort of easy cakes that people could make in a pan. I brought here some oil, raw oil, and we're going to put here. You can use a brush, or you can use your fingers, or maybe paper, kitchen paper. Good, it's only a little bit. And with the same spoon that we had before, we're going to take one, and we're going to put it here. I don't know if you can see me. And try to give it like an oval or circle shape. Since they are little, like this, because they're going to be for us, we can put 2 at a time, or sometimes 3, like in this case, in the same pan. So here we go. And now we're going to put them in the kitchen, and let's see how it looks. So I put the pan in the kitchen, and we need to leave it 3 minutes on one side and then 2 minutes on the other side in a very low flame. And here it is. I put some cream. It's already melted, but it smells incredible. So here are our fall pancakes. And if you want, you can try doing it at home, and then you can share with us all your videos and recipes and tell us if you added something else. So have fun. See you next week.